Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the BOSURU Double Rod Gold Clothes Rack, a stylish and functional addition to any bedroom or clothing store. This industrial pipe clothing rack is designed with double rods of varying heights, maximizing your hanging space for clothes of all lengths, while two side rods offer perfect spots for scarves and belts, and a bottom shelf provides additional storage for shoes and boxes. Constructed from premium steel with a thickened and reinforced structure, this rack is both eco-friendly and durable, featuring a high-temperature paint coating that ensures corrosion resistance and long-lasting use, easily supporting up to 220 pounds, including heavy winter jackets and coats. Its multifunctional design allows it to serve not only as a clothes rack but also as a shoe rack, clutter rack, and handbag storage solution, making it an all-in-one answer to your storage needs. Equipped with two brake universal wheels for stability and two non-brake wheels for easy mobility, this rack is upgraded to prevent tipping or swaying, ensuring peace of mind as you move it around your space. Plus, with its simple structure and clear instructions, assembling this double-rod clothing rack is a breeze, allowing you to effortlessly enjoy the organized space it provides. Don't miss out on transforming your space with this versatile and practical garment rack that combines style, durability, and convenience in one elegant package. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.